Hey, what's up everybody? Just wanted to do a quick video, about to walk to the coffee shop right now, and I wanted to do a quick video about really everything you've ever learned about yoga marketing is wrong, and I want to tell you why that is. So if you read blogs like Mind Body and Zen Planner and listen to different yoga marketing gurus out there, you probably think you should be starting a blog, posting on social media every day, running challenges, those kind of things. But I want to that stuff, noise that's coming through. So I want you to look at every marketing tactic that you do through a lens of, is it going to bring me appointments today? And when you do that, you can actually start to see members coming in, you start to see growth. And that's how and by the way, if you want a proven system that brings appointments in every day, you could actually start getting new appointments today if you implement this system. Go check out a 18-minute masterclass that I created for you guys at GetYogaStudents.com. It's a 3-step process that shows you how to go from getting leads to turning those leads into appointments, and then finally selling those leads on the first day that they come in the studio. So go check that out at GetMoreStudents.com or GetYogaStudents.com. So again, back to everything we just talked about. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath walking up this hill. If you really want to grow your studio, you've got to start focusing on marketing tactics that will bring in appointments. So let's just break these down. Starting a blog. When you start a blog, the whole idea of a blog is to get organic search traffic to your website. And that takes a long time to do. It does work over the long term, and it's a great thing to do if you've got time. But if you're like most of our clients, you don't have the time. You're busy. You're teaching, you're doing the accounting, you're doing the sales, you're just managing the overall studio, and you don't have time to blog. So why do it? Unless you're paying somebody to do it, or you really like blogging, don't do it. It's not going to bring you business right now. Social media. Now, social media is great. Facebook is great. Instagram is great. But there's no longer organic reach on Facebook. So if you have a Facebook business page, you're not going to get any organic reach by just posting every day. So if you're stressing out about getting a post on your Facebook page every day, don't worry about it. Don't stress out about it, because nobody's going to see it anyway. You've got to pay for people to see you on Facebook. Instagram's a little bit different story. They still have some good organic reach. So, I would suggest posting on Instagram. It's not going to bring you business right away, but you're building a following, you're building a community, and that's always a good thing. Running a challenge. Now, you can run a challenge. I have seen that work for studios, but again, how are you promoting that challenge? Are you just posting it on your Facebook page and hoping people will find it and come? That typically will not work because you have to pay for it. So again, running challenges is great, but you've got to wait for those people to kind of filter through to get to become members. So back again, if you want a proven system that works, a 3-step system that will not only generate leads for your business, get people into your studio and help you close them, then go to GetYogaStudents.com and check out my 18-minute masterclass, where I'll teach you the exact steps that you need to take to start getting appointments today. So anyway, just a thought. Stop listening to gurus. Stop reading yoga marketing blogs, and go watch that masterclass right now. So GetYogaStudents.com. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you later.